this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to show and find your Wi-Fi password on your Android phone. So just swipe down from the top right, and we want to go to Settings. So tap Settings right here. Scroll on down. Now on your version of Android, you might have like connected devices, network and internet, etc. So it could depend on if you have a Samsung, Motorola. So on Samsung, I believe you just go to connected devices, but on my Motorola, I'm going to go to network and internet. And then choose Wi-Fi right here. And then when you see Wi-Fi, just go to the settings cog right here. Tap it right next to the Wi-Fi you want to view. And there should be an option to share it. So you can just tap share. And you have the option for a QR code. Verify that it's you. So we're going to have to type in our pattern. And then you'll see the Wi-Fi password right here. And you can use your camera app too if one of your friends is doing that. Just open it up. You should be able to scan the QR code or just give them this password right there. You can go to quick share. I believe that will copy it so you can send in a message as well. So just look at that. Go to where it says share and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.